Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to turn off dial pad tones on this device. So if you're not the biggest fan of the dial pad tones and you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to enter the settings. Let's tap on them, and here let's localize sound and vibration. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually in order to find those options which are connected with the sound responding kind of. Here we've got dial pad tone, so all we have to do is to tap on the switcher to turn it off. And now after getting back to the dial pad, to the keypad, you can hear, or actually cannot hear, that the tones are disabled. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.